everyone, this is Survikeria and today I'll be talking about a great perfume and a deo set which is an offer for this month. It's Love Potion Deo and Love Potion Perfume. It's on offer, 35% off, and the main ingredients of this set is ginger, coke chocolate and coca flower. If you buy this set, it's worth 3034, but this month it's an offer in 1979, and with the purchase of this beautiful combo, you get this box absolutely free. And it's a great gifting option for upcoming festival season for all of us. To buy this product and this combo, you can contact us on the information given below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thank you.